Hey guys, it's Admin Penis from Ceasefoo. Today, I'm going to share the wonderful secrets of our great channel with you. That's right, what you've always wanted to know. I'm going to teach you our patented secret formula special sauce, pistol sauce, mayonnaise, and ketchup mixed together in order to bring you videos that are funny and comedy. So, the 4 pillars of humor are utmost important, the most important shit. You gotta know these. You gotta know these. The 4 pillars are: pillar number 1 is that picture. If you put a picture of a chihuahua, it's funny. Do you have a Samsung phone? If you own a Samsung phone, I don't remember what the code is, but there's a code you could type in and you could put a funny chihuahua on the screen, and that works on your phone too. Look it up, try it at home. Please believe it or not. See, you just put a picture of a stupid chihuahua on the, like that. See, why is he looking at me like that? He's smug bastard. Funny chihuahua picture. Sub tip: go on Google image search funny chihuahua picture. Look at that, and then come back to this video. You got that? Go do it. I'm doing the video essay thing at you now. It's easy, it's simple, and it's fun, and it's easy, and it's chihuahua.png, Google image search, funnychihuahua.com, .net, .org, .io, funnychihuahua/funnychihuahua. Now, pillar number 2 is, pillar number 2 is that guy. The letter C. This episode is brought to you by the letter C. This episode is brought to you by the letter C. This episode is brought to you by the letter C. This episode is brought to you by the letter C. C stands for Chihuahua. Pillar 3. The 3 of the 4th, there's 4 of them, and this is the 3rd one. Is it Schonberger? Hello? This bastard chihuahua broke my Nintendo Switch. It's so over. Nintendo bitch has no games. What? No audio. We're supposed to have audio coming through. It's tech guy VT. It's audio. It's tech guy. Tech guy. It's breaking. It's not working. Tech guy. Oh jeez, what the fuck? Oh no. Is this essential worker? No. Did you know about this? This essential worker, this taco shop in Boys Town, Chicago, every week they lay off this workers, so they lay off all the workers so this guy can dance. It's miserable. I gotta stop it. Tech guy, can you, no, what's happening? Tech guy, how do I stop it? Tech guy. It's just putting it. I'm hitting the buttons, tech guy. It's just showing me chihuahua pictures. It's gone. Okay, I got it. I'm fine. We'll keep going. We'll keep rolling. We'll roll the take. We'll keep going. We'll edit it out. Pillar number 4. Pillar number 4 is the number 4. The number 4. The number 4, the number 4, the number 4, the number 4. Is it tech guy? Is it broken? It's not going. Are we in hell? Are we in hell? How do I get out? How do we get out of here? Tech guy, I'm scared. I can't hear you. I'm pressing the buttons. I think I'm in hell. I think I died and I went to hell. Oh, no! Now see, that's what we call meta. That's what we call meta, because that's our video. You might have seen it before on our channel, Ceasefoo at ceasefoo.youtube. This is what people in the business call being meta. And the fact that I'm talking to you about this right now is also kind of hashtag meta, if you will. That's how the kids would say it in today's society. And they don't even let you say penis anymore in today's society. It's kind of hecked up. Oh, no, I told you he didn't, tech guy, I told you he didn't go in here. I told you we don't let him in here. I told the bouncer, if you see that yellow fuck jolly as ever at the door, I told you, do not let him in. I told you. No, he's multiplying. You see, this is exactly why I told you not to let this fucking guy in here. This is exactly why I told you not to let this fucking guy in here. Do we have security? Is security here? Do they have the Homer extinguisher? Do they... Oh god, it's over. It's over. There's too many of them now. We can't deal with it. We can't deal with it. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ. I told you guys, I told every single one of you on the fucking staff, I told every single one of you that you don't let him in here. And what did you do? You let him in here. I'm supposed to be the star, I'm the one you listen to, and you didn't fucking listen. Look, he's just sitting there, looking at me, the jolly fucker, and he's multiplying. And what are we doing about it, huh? We're just sitting here, and... It's over. None of you guys are getting paid for this. I hope you know that. He's ruined it. He's poisoned the comedy. You see why I told you not to let him in here? Don't you look at me like that, Timothy. No, Timothy. No, I told you.